Good afternoon, it's your boy Rubio, back with some more cards to unveil for you guys today. And I'm here with my co-host, Mr. LeBlue. Say what's up, Blue? Alright, he doesn't want to speak today. Alright. So, I'm going to unveil some cards for you guys today, and I think we're going to do some football. We're going to go with Select Football with CeeDee Lamb and Brock Purdy on the cover. We have the NFL logo here in the corner. We have the NFL Players Association here. It is 24 cards in the box. Let me go ahead and open this plastic so we can read it a little bit better. All right, let's take that off. It says find exclusive green and yellow prism die cuts per box on average. This is the 2023 NFL trading cards. It says find one silver prism die cut per box on average. Look for autographs from some of the game's hottest stars. This is from the complete pack for the 2023 Panini Select Football. It features a 300 card set, including 100 base concourse, 100 base premier level, and 100 base club level. I like pulling autographs and numbered cards. So hopefully in this pack, maybe I can get both. Let's see what else we're missing here. So 4 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. Without further ado, let's crack this thing open. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 packs. All right, let's open up the first pack. Here we go. We have our first person here. We have Mr. DeAndre Swift from the Philadelphia Eagles. We have future Drake London from the Atlanta Falcons. We have Tommy DeVito from the New York Giants. It's a rookie card. And we have Chris Rodriguez Jr. from the Washington Commanders. And that's a rookie card. All right, on to the next pack. All right. We have Jaden Reed from the Green Bay Packers. Rookie card. Oh, that's a nice looking card here. We have Devin Witherspoon from the Seattle Seahawks. It says Select Certified at the bottom here. We have Amari DiMercato, rookie card from the Arizona Cardinals. And last in this pack, we have a rookie card of my former quarterback, Mr. Aiden O'Connell, for my Las Vegas Raiders. All right, next pack. Still no numbered cards yet and no autographs yet. Hopefully we'll find something. We'll throw that to the side. We have Mr. Derrick Henry, the man that nobody wants to tackle, that will run through your face. We have Joe Burrow from the Cincinnati Bengals. And it's a die cut. Look at that. It's a die cut. I wonder if that one's numbered. It is not. Okay. So we'll put that one there. All right. We have a turbocharged DJ Moore from the Chicago Bears. It's a nice looking card. I wonder if that one's numbered. It is not. Okay. All right. We have Jonathan Mingo from the Carolina Panthers, rookie card. All right, we're halfway done. Hey guys, don't forget to press that like and subscribe button to show me that you guys like the channel. I do appreciate it. All right, we have Tui Pui Loto from the San Diego Chargers. Rookie card. We got a die cut of Sidney Brown rookie card. That one's not numbered, so we will sit that one right here. We have Jalen Hurts from the Philadelphia Eagles. And we have another Tommy DeVito from the New York Giants rookie card. Still gripping and ripping. Still on the hunt for a numbered or autographed card. We have Gabriel Davis from the Buffalo Bills. We have Fred Warner from the 49ers, and it's a die cut. Is this one numbered? No, but it's cool. It's a nice looking card. Sit that one down. We have Lucas Havrisik for the Rams rookie card. Looks like a kicker. Let me turn it around. Oh, it's not. Okay. We'll sit that one down there. I have Drew Sanders from the Denver Broncos rookie card also. All right. Last pack, guys. Last pack. We have Mr. Jeremiah Gibbs, rookie card for the Detroit Lions. That's a nice looking card. And is it numbered? It is not. Okay. So we'll sit that over there. I have another die cut of Tucker Kraft from the Green Bay Packers. It's a nice looking card. All right, I got a signature card, and who is it? We have Trent McDuffie from the Kansas City Chiefs. That's a nice looking card. All right, first signature card here. Okay. We'll sit that one over here. We have Jackson Smith-Jigba from the Seattle Seahawks. All right, and that's a rookie card. All right. So let's do a quick recap. I got my lone autograph card here. Mr. McDuffie, Mr. Trent McDuffie from the Kansas City Chiefs. Let's go ahead and sleeve that up. I'll sit that one to the side. Let me go through these rookies real quick and make sure that I don't have any that are numbered. Okay. So these are our rookies here. We have Jackson Smith-Jigba, Jahmyr Gibbs, Drew Sanders, Lucas Havrisik, Tommy DeVito, Tui Pulu Lotu, Jonathan Mingo, Aiden O'Connell, Amari DiMercado, Jaden Reed, Chris Rodriguez Jr., and Tommy DeVito. All right, those were our rookies. Well, these are some of our die cuts here. We have Tucker Kraft, Warner, Sidney Brown, and Joe Burrow. Then we have our turbocharged DJ Moore. We have our select certified Devin Witherspoon. It's a nice looking card there. Was that one numbered? Nope. Was this one numbered? Nope. And then we have our future Drake London. And that one wasn't numbered either. These are some of our base cards here. So we got Mr. Gabriel Davis, Jalen Hurts, Derrick Henry, and DeAndre Swift. Thank you for tuning into the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with others. You can leave comments, give suggestions on the YouTube page at JRubio, or on Instagram at JRubio80, or on Facebook. I enjoy bringing this type of content to you guys. I hope you guys like watching the content. If there's any particular type of cards you would like me to open up for you on the channel, just shoot me a message. I am more than willing to do that for you, to bring content to the channel. Thanks again for tuning in and making it through the video. Rubio, out.